Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Avengers keychain. Crafting your own superhero accessory is a fun and rewarding project. First, gather your essential supplies, including shrink plastic sheets, a set of permanent markers, and a sturdy metal keychain ring. You will also need a pair of sharp scissors, a standard hole punch, and access to an oven for the baking process. Having a template ready or sketching your design freehand will be your first creative step. Now, let's bring your hero to life. Begin by tracing or drawing your favorite Avengers character onto the rough, frosted side of your shrink plastic sheet. Once your outline is complete, use permanent markers to color in your design with vibrant and bold hues, making sure to fill in all areas. Next, carefully cut out your design using scissors, leaving a small, even border around the edges. Finally, use your hole punch to create a single hole near the top of your design. This is where your keychain ring will attach. It's time for the magic to happen. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 160 degrees Celsius. Carefully place your cutout shrink plastic designs onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring the rough side faces upwards. Bake them for approximately 2 to 7 minutes. Watch closely as the plastic curls up, then flattens out again. Once flat, remove the tray from the oven and, if necessary, immediately press the warm plastic flat with a heavy book for a perfectly smooth finish. With your design cooled and hardened, it's time for the final assembly. First, ensure your shrunk plastic piece has cooled completely for several minutes to maintain its new shape. Next, take a small jump ring and thread it through the hole you punched earlier, then connect this jump ring to your main keychain ring. For added durability and a glossy finish, you might consider applying a clear sealant or a thin layer of resin. Now you have a fantastic, personalized Avengers keychain, ready to show off your fandom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.